Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in Accountancy. In this video, I am going to explain what is the meaning of employment. Before that, the total economic activities are divided into three categories. One is business, number two, profession, number three, employment. What is the meaning of business? What is the meaning of profession? We already uploaded a video on that such terms in previous. Now I am taking the third one, that is employment. The relationship between two parties based on contract is called employment. Two parties are there in employment. Out of two parties, one of the party is assigning duties to other party. The person who is assigning the duties to the other party, that party is called employer. On whom the duties are assigned, that person is called employee. The contract between the employer and employee is called employment. The relationship between the employer and employee is that of master and servant. Employee is providing what valuable services to the employer, and in return the employee is getting some remuneration in the form of money. That remuneration is called salary. People who work in banks, insurance companies, and government departments as managers, assistants, clerks, peons, security guards are the employees of such organizations. These are the explanation in respect of what? Respect of employment. I am concluding this one. Thank you, my dear students.